When you're coming to a corner, you want to measure the distance that you have and cut it about a 1/4 inch less at least than the actual measurement. Here we have 18 1/4 inches, so we're going to cut this to 18 inches. What we don't want to have happen is you just push a piece in here real tight and squeak it and fit it, and then it has a tendency to, could have the tendency to want to push these panels off the wall and make a mark here. And I'm just going to hold the panel, I just pull it right against my knee so it doesn't slide on me. So we're just putting it in there and we're just sliding it down, holding it on to 18 inches, so we got our scribe mark. Okay, we cut our panel just about a 1/4 inch shy of the actual measurement, and you can see here that helps you get it in as far as room with the tongue and groove, and make sure that it fits in place nicely first. Now, in some cases, the foundation has a rounded corner and it's all built up, or they did a poured foundation with more of a rounded corner on it. If that's the case, what you want to do is just take your knife and cut off a little bit for the rounded corner in there so it just fits right into place then.
The adhesive applied to the outside edges will provide a tight and secure edge at the corners and around all panel cuts, like windows and door openings.
Every time we cut the panel, we're going to put another bead of adhesive on near where the cut is. So